Introduce highlight features and overview of NURTUDIS camping lounge chair, portable camping chair with footrest, folding reclining camping chair, storage bag and headrest, mesh recliner. 330 pounds weight capacity. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The camping chair is very lightweight, only 10 pounds with backpack and foldable design. The recliner is very easy to carry and transport. It is definitely the best choice for outdoor camping, watching games, patio barbecues, beach parties and more. The design with footrest allows you to lie down completely and relax your feet more comfortably. The footrest part can be easily removed and can be used for different purposes in various occasions. The camping chair with adjustable slant back design, the back can be tilted from 90 degrees to 130 degrees. Different angles provide strong and comfortable support for the back and legs to meet your different needs. The camping chair is made of heavy-duty steel with strong and durable brackets that can hold up to 330 pounds. High-quality 600D Oxford and breathable mesh make it more comfortable to use. The sturdy steel frame provides great stability for long-term use. This camping chair features a multifunctional design with cup holders, headrests, and storage pockets. You can comfortably store a variety of personal items such as mugs, phones, wallets, sunglasses, magazines and more. Let you comfortably enjoy camping, parties, races. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.